Hello everyone. Thank you again for coming out to our 1-year anniversary. Didn't get a chance to share this with you yesterday. Some of you already know about the detoxing protocol, but we really wanted to express that today, so we make sure, because there was a lot of people here, a lot of beautiful energy going. We know the body is still vibrating on this high detoxing level, so we wanted to really get this out to you.
Yes, and detoxing is a very big and important part of being in this space. Anytime anyone is in this energy, your body is detoxing at an accelerated rate, 1.4 times faster than the speed of light. So your body is moving things out, and you may feel that as symptoms throughout the week. This week, you were in here for 8 hours? I mean, that's a lot of time to be in this energy, and your body needs support in detoxing and getting rid of what it doesn't need. So it's cleaning house right now, and those symptoms may be mild, just a little fatigue or soreness or achiness, or they could be headaches. You could be really tired. You could have old injuries activate or act up. Chronic things kind of acting up. That's normal.
It's safe. It's just your body is just unkinking, letting go of what is not serving you. You're cleaning house. So nothing is happening that shouldn't be happening.
Yes.
So it's super safe.
And it's completely normal. So whatever's coming up for you, you're always welcome to give us a call and chat about it or detox. So what that protocol is sea salt, baking soda, and borax. We will send you in an email those ingredients and what that is. You're going to take a bath, either a full body bath or a foot bath. You're going to put that mixture into the tub. You're going to have the water as hot as you can tolerate, and for 30 minutes soak either your feet or your whole body. It doesn't matter whether it's just your feet, or you can pull a lot out through your feet. So if you can't physically get into a tub, that's okay. Just find a bucket or a tub or whatever and soak your feet in that salt mixture.
All right. Any questions, just give us a call. We're here for you.
Absolutely.
And if you feel really crummy, that just means you need to get back in here.
As soon as possible.
All right. Love you.